we'll guide you through how to cancel your Streamlabs subscription. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, go to the Streamlabs website and log into your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to the top right corner where you see your profile icon and click on it. From the drop-down menu, click on Account Settings. Now, look for the Subscriptions tab. Clicking on this will take you to a page where you'll see all your active subscriptions. Find the subscription you want to cancel, and click on the Manage button next to it. A new page will appear with details about your subscription. Here, you should see an option that says Cancel Subscription. Click on it. You might be prompted to confirm your cancellation, so go ahead and confirm it. After that, your subscription will be successfully canceled. You should receive a confirmation email from Streamlabs regarding the cancellation. If you don't see the confirmation email, make sure to check your spam or junk folder, just in case it ended up there. Remember, canceling your subscription means you will lose access to any premium features associated with it at the end of your current billing cycle. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.